fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be doing something a little different here, and we're going to be building Bob the Train. And I was actually quite unfamiliar with this, but I gather, as you can see, it's from a children's show. And he's made of many bright colors with not much surface detail. So let's get right into the build. So our first step is to come in the middle of the tracks and put a temporary block. On the upper hitbox of it, we're going to do a line of 7 warp trap doors coming up the center. Then take off the temporary block. On the front of it, on the side here, we're going to put 2 more warp trap doors up here. And then 2 more on this side. Then behind these trapdoors, we're going to make a 2x2 of yellow concrete for the wheel. Then skip a block and a second 2x2 of yellow concrete. Then on the sides of these, we're going to put 4 crimson buttons on each one. Then repeat the process over here. So a 2x2 of yellow concrete here. And then skip a block back and another 2x2 of yellow concrete. Then same thing, put 4 crimson buttons on each one. Then we'll come in between the wheels here, and we need to get another warp trap door on the side in between the wheel here. And then same thing on this side here. Then we'll come up top, and we're going to fill all in between here with blue concrete. Then a row of 3 across the front here. And on the very front, 3 blue stained glass panes. Then on top of this first row of blue concrete, another 3 blue stained glass panes. And on top of that, we'll put 3 blue carpet. Then come behind that and fill the rest of this on top, 3 wide, with blue concrete. So that's one way of doing the front. Or if you want it to look more angled, but not quite color matched here, we can take out all of these stained glass panes and replace it with 2 rows of warp stairs. Just like that. And then put our 3 blue carpet back on top. So it's up to you which way you want to do the front. Then right here we'll do a 3x3 plus shape of yellow concrete. Then behind it a plus shape of crimson planks, and then a plus shape of yellow concrete. Behind that to the back, 3 long. Then we'll come through here with crimson stairs upside down facing outward on the bottoms here, and then right side up on the top so it rounds off. Then we're going to round off all the rest of this with oak stairs. And then behind here, do the same thing to the back with your oak stairs. Just like that. Now we're going to come up on the back here, where this row of blue concrete is, and put 3 more across the back right here. Then we're going to drop down and continue the base down here. So crouch, and we're going to put another 4 warp trap doors coming back on that same level. And then 4 blue concrete above those. Then right behind this wheel here, we need to put another warp trap door coming out to the side and a blue concrete. And then the same thing on this side, a trap door and a blue concrete. Now we're going to come on the side of the back here, and we're going to make a 3 block tall plus shape of orange concrete because the back wheel's bigger. Then do the same thing, a plus shape of orange concrete over here. Then we're going to come through with acacia stairs and round off all the corners of these wheels. Then do the same thing on this side with your stairs. Then once that's done, we're going to take out oak signs, and we're going to put 4 oak signs on the wheel here in a pattern like that, leaving the center open. And then of course, we'll come over here and do the same thing. 4 oak signs on the side of the wheel, all around it like this. Then we'll come up in here, fill this middle with blue concrete, and then fill the whole top of this in a 3x4 of blue concrete. Then above that, another layer of blue concrete. Then on top of that, in the center, a 2x2 of light blue concrete, and a 2x2 of light blue stained glass panes on either side. Then 2 rows of 3 blue concrete back here, 2 rows of 3 here. Then we're going to cover the top with crimson planks, and then 2 more planks on the top middle. Then we're going to come over on this side and put 2 oak fences right here with a crimson trapdoor on top. Now we'll do the funnel, which is also his hat, and it leans off to the side, so right here put a lime concrete, black carpet on top of it. Then we'll go around all 4 sides of it and put an acacia sign. Just like that. Now we need to do his face, and for that we're going to use a banner. So come into a loom, blue banner and white dye, put a horizontal on the very top. Then go to yellow dye and put a vertical in the center. Like that. Then go to black dye and make the bottom half black. Then go to yellow dye again, put a yellow border on, a horizontal in the middle, and a horizontal on bottom. And now we have the banner for his face. And we'll come up here and put it right on here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed Bob the Train in Minecraft here. I hope you enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.